Yes? Okay, viewers, that is Rosie Q's voice. You should have said it! I was recording. Okay. Yes. Oh, I almost heard your voice. Face. Out. Youch. Oh. I just saw a motorcycle. Oh! Should I stop recording?
No.
I just saw light. I don't want this video to be 1 minute or something. I want to make this video less than 2 minutes. I keep getting shocked. Ouch. This is my sister's room, by the way, so I don't want to show her face though. Okay, this place is terrifying. Indonesia has too many disasters. Ah, you can see this house. This is our neighborhood. And yup, there's a musola near. There's a nearby musola there. I cannot look for the lightning. Should I stop recording? What?
Yeah, you got it.
I keep I'm just looking through this into the window. The window isn't open, but it's just plain glass. Okay, so this place. So this thing. Oh my god! I think I should end it. Goodbye.